everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be making some candles using these cups. These cups I purchased from Dollar Tree. You guys, I love them. Y'all, as soon as I seen them I was like, oh yeah, I'm about to make some candles. So Dollar Tree cups. I did purchase these off of Amazon. I think they were like $7 for 100 wicks. Not bad. I'm also going to be using this. This came in my candle kit that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. This is going to hold the wick in place. I also have some of this little putty to hold the little, the wick down inside the cup, but I don't think I'm going to need that. And what I'm going to use for my wax, you guys, I am just simply going to melt down the tall candle that you get from Dollar Tree and add my own fragrance oil. I'm going to do, one of them is going to be musk oil. You guys, this right here smells so good. To me, it reminds me of like a men's cologne. Like, it smells so good. And then the other one, I'm going to do a black raspberry vanilla. This smells good as well. And this I got from Hobby Lobby. This I got from Pipe and Rock. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and put this in like a little boiler thing and melt the wax down. And then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so on the back of this, not sure if you can see, but these are 7 ounces of wax, which means that when we use our oil, the oil is going to be 10%. So let's see. Oh my gosh, you know what? I might have to do this off camera because this might take a long time. But pretty much, I just wanted to tell you that your fragrance oil, essential oil, should be 10% of the weight in your wax. I'm going to do this off of camera and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so it's been some hours later. Here is my candle right here. It did sink in, as I said, and I went on ahead and filled it up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my wick. I really don't know where to cut it. Guess I'm going to cut it there. A little bit, just a little bit. Alright, right there. Right there should be good. You guys, this was the easy project. The only thing, y'all, this took some time. Like I said, this thing had to dry. It's pretty much been drying for about 6 hours now. I'm gonna see about packaging. I don't know if this, I have some of these little clear cellophane bags right here. I don't know if these are going to be big enough. If not, then I have some bigger bags. I don't even know if this is going to fit. Is that even going? Nope. Okay, so no, those are not big enough. So now this is just some regular party favor bags. That's all these are, just regular party favor bags. Ooh, goodness, I'm scared. Oh, this is heavy. Okay. So that's pretty much all I would do. And then of course, if you know me, you know I like to send things off, and I like to wrap it in tulle. So that's what I'm going to use to tie on there. I would first put a little rubber band over it, just like that. And then I would go ahead and take these tulle pieces and just crochet them on. I don't know if this is crochet. I don't really know what to call it. And I would keep doing this until this rubber band is pretty much full and fluffy. So I'm gonna keep doing that, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like after I, you know, fluff the tulle all up. You guys, I think it's cute. I think it is adorable. I just wanted to show you guys something quick, something easy. Plus, I do want to start getting into candles and selling candles on my website, because I love candles. I love wax melts, you guys. I use them things all day, every day. But look at that. I love it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.